miyembro na ng Kapatad, pareho lang nursing graduates. Reni na mga duwang Reni, pareho lang marketing graduates and Kapatad. Pareho lang Bosconians.
Masantig lang pa yung pairing tamo ne? Okay, we have of course Bin Bondoc and Harvey Quiwa. Ayan, Kapatad. Again, one time or another, may guest na lang naman kay katamo.
Okay, maya pa oras po kaya kayo nga na po karang ganang manalbek and top-rated yung show personal.
Ayan.
I like that, top-rated.
Ito na yung kanyang kutnan masakit kasi pinuri na ata. Yeah, more than anything else, you have your own profession na, and how are your respective families reacting na you're pursuing this interest? Kasi balo kan siyang pang buri yung buri yan, itamo Kapampangan, maragul abage itang konsultahan tala ring pengari tamo, ring pamilya tamo eh.
Maya pagkat panapon, kaya kayo nga. Actually, ding parents ko, supportive na naman. And in fact, kasi Balu the hobby ko ini, buri ko talaga yung pamagkanta. So, saka uling mana-mana king family. Kasi king family ni medyo magkanta kami nga nalos.
Really?
Daddy ko magkanta.
The singing family.
Yeah, so parang talagang king daya, trans on our blood na talagang burimi talagang maganda. So, akakit ko naman, okay mo.
Kaya kami, kanako, same mo rin. Very supportive lang yung family ko. Po rin kanako kapatid, po rin parents ko. Proud la, nakakakit daw kung at yung stage magkanta para karela, para kareng tao.
I will ask the same question nandin. Atin niya bang connection ng singing and marketing? Atin niya bang, ting, pwede ya? Makanano?
I guess meron. Kasi, kumbaga, kasi ang marketing is more on sales, no? So, kung...
sabihin, pagkanta mo rin kliyente mo.
Wow.
Possible pag gano'n. Kasi, parang ganito yan, na-expose ako sa singing career. So, yung mga ibang kliyente ko na ina-assist sa trabaho ko, parang somehow plus point yon kasi sinasabi nila na, uy, nakita kita sa TV, tapos, nakausap namin si ganito, kumakanta yan.
Or
so,
maybe, if there is any
talaga
marketing event, Harvey, you might be invited every now and then by
actually, yung magobra ako pa kay Metro multinational company, King Sales. Makanya ning malalayari po ang ating events, ako yung papagkantanda. Bukod king ating personal guy ka rin.
So, minsan dyan pag may kwent target mo, pero nang masad ni ka daily performance kaya singing, mawawalay na.
Siguro, kasi bukod king, siguro may katipid na lang rin TF niya. Ako na mo dahil deployed.
Would you also say na after winning kitang first Aslag Kapampangan singing competition, yung natural tendency for you is talagang milinya talaga kayong singing?
Maniwala ako kanita. Kasi may nyambot kami kayong Aslag Kapampangan song writing contest. Mibus ning dakala doors. Opportunities para kaya kami artist na mangarap mo rin na damdaman na rin tao.
Well, because both of you, landed in the top 10, top 5?
Top 3.
Top 3. Okay, top 3 in last year's first songwriting.
Kaya ako palagi kayong kukutangin ni every time may feature very, very talented Kapampangan artist. Naring pakiramdaman nyo si on TV, kareng news, singers who are not really singers, may kaka-gold records la, atin lang, they ink contracts with this recording company. Samantalang talagang singer, anong kasakit para makapenetrate kayo? Makananita, naning feeling yun?
Actually, king makanitang bagay kasi, lalo na kalupa mo lang Kapampangan, you are being inspired talaga. So, may inspired ka, at the same time, itaping sasabihan mo, alina naman makanita ka professional when it comes to singing, pero makakaila makapag-capture lang market king industry na ning hanggang local lang. So, parang maging inspirasyon mila rin na nung ila gawada. Gawa mi rin. At the same time,
ulingi kayo, tingin talent.
Yes, tsaka hindi lang yon. Nagiging proud kami kasi kamukha namin silang mga Kapampangan.
And Kapatad, dakal nung ni ring mamayag Kapampangan artist.
Pero sana I hope ring recording companies, apo pa ring mo ring audience, mas discern din naman nung niro talaga singers. Apo pa nung retang, yan naman singers.
Exactly. Now, both of you are also into writing, songwriting, or singing mo? Bin, ika singing mo?
Ako singing lang
Singing lang talaga.
Oo.
Harvey,
Ako yung sa...
I remember you wrote the song that that won the
Yes,
award,
yung ika
So,
mo'y tunay para ka ako. Ako yung sumulat, tapos ako rin yung nag-perform.
okay. What are you first? A singer or a songwriter?
Singer siguro.
Singer ka pa mo.
Singer.
So
Violin.
you would rather pursue your singing career than your songwriting career?
Nung malyaring sabi, edi sana. Pero ako, maniwala ako na para kay sarili ko, mas buli kong maging singer ko. Yeah.
As singers, as Kapampangan artists, akakit ba na ining interest dareng tao keng anything Kapampangan lumwat pa?
Or is it just temporary? Baka naman, ako kapatad, that's my fear, ne? Ini nga kakitambang renaissance sa ini, nga kakitamang reawakening. When it comes to Kapampangan culture, music, and arts, talaga bang yapi na ini o fad mo?
Pangadimi rin na emu fad din ining malalyari na awakening or reawakening ng king Kapampangan na kanta. Saka for as long as atin tao nakagaya dari Tito Ben Escasa, ri Father Roni, ri Kong Roland Kiambao na susuporta kareng kalupaming artist ta Kapampangan. Palagi ako magluat yan.
Maglambat.
Maglambat yan.
Harinawa. Dilang anghel.
At saka salamat sa YouTube. Sana upload ka ng upload. Kasi bata, even Kapampangans, even Filipinos outside of the country.
Yes. And kapatad, no? And everybody, the in thing now is go regional, go local, and global. Global is local pala.
Yeah, dintang na naman yung pagka-teacher mo talaga. May naman na naman. So, in next segment na kapatad, akit na rin apat together with their mentors.
Ayan. Because atin lang lulutong.
Yes naman. Kaya kayo po maglipad channel. Magbalik ka pa rin po Personalan.